Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change DPI settings on iPhone 17 Pro. First, open Settings and then scroll down to Display and Brightness section. Open it. Here, you can change the text size by opening the text size menu and then moving this slider to the right to increase the text size or to the left to decrease it. You can also make the text bolder if you switch the toggle to the right. By the way, the settings will be applied automatically. You don't have to tap anything to confirm changes. Now for the display size, you have to scroll down to the very bottom of this menu and then select either the default display size or larger text option. Now I'm gonna go with default, then click done, then click use standard to confirm, and after that the changes will be applied. Now for even larger text sizes, you can go back to settings, then open accessibility menu and find display and text size. Now here you have the larger text option and you can make your text even larger here by switching this toggle to the right and then making your text look even bigger on your iPhone. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.